Who's this country?
Hey guys, Kirby Smith with Lightspeed Construction coming to you today from a roof that we completed about
6 to 8 months ago.
6 to 8 months ago here with my customer. Say what's up to guys.
What's going on?
Okay, so we'd had a couple of comments from a home inspector on this roof, and we replaced it, like I said, about 6 to 8 months ago. Wanted to begin to address those with you guys and let y'all take a look at that real quick. I think point number one from the home inspector was that this was needing a cricket. Yes, this is a wide chimney, but it's so close to the ridge that a cricket really isn't gonna fit here. You see we ran metal underneath the shingles, and it's gonna go up probably about another foot. And you know, this is under warranty. If this leaks, give us a shout, but we can't put a cricket here. There's just not room for it, right? So was that issue number one right there?
That was.
Okay, cool. We had this mention as well. There was a couple shingles on a ridge cap that were like kind of, I guess the inspector might have mentioned like coming up, and really it's just kind of how the shape of the ridge is. I'm sort of tugging on them as best as I can, and you know, these are covering. Did have one exposed nail here, right there, but that's covered and caulked, and there's really no nails that are covered, and I can't literally with about 15 or 20 pounds of force even have a nudge on that. So those shingles are definitely not lifting up there at the ridge. The last comment that I think, and correct me if I'm wrong, Devin, but there was a pipe boot in the back portion of the roof.
Correct.
That the inspector mentioned didn't have a nail in it. The reason for this is that we're real close to this valley, and it's desirable not to have any more nails close to the valley than possible. And this pipe boot was nailed high, so we actually have the nails here and here, and as you can see, it's going to withstand probably 100 mile an hour wind or so, so we're definitely okay there. Otherwise, you know, on this roof we've got diagonal offset shingles like we would typically expect. Shingle rows are extremely straight. You always look at the top for that, guys. So on the top you want to see straight rows. Our valleys are cut nice and straight. You can see that, and I don't know if that made it all the way to the inspection report. So that's going to be 4 valleys. The chimney's flashed completely. The chimney cap is screwed down. I don't know if we did this or not. There's nothing pulling up on this chimney cap. All the pipes have pipe boots. There is one thing I'd like to maybe have us come out and just kind of get a quick tweak on. I'm gonna show this to you guys. We did not do this rubber roof.
You did.
We did this rubber
Yes.
roof. Okay, cool. That's good to know. Let's see here. I'm surprised this didn't get comments, but there's really not much of another way to do this right here, Devin, because you got regular shaped stone.
Yep.
So you can see we got a little crazy with the caulk, but that's because the irregularity of the stone. We glued this membrane down. There was 2 locations. I'd like to maybe try and screw this in a little bit better and screw this piece of bar in a little bit better as well. And then I think I'd like to maybe come back and put water block above here on this membrane roof. Anywhere those screws might kind of be, water can go and get behind here, get in behind those screws and leak. You see somebody put caulking over the top of it. I like to put it kind of water blocked right here. So this gutter guards here would be a good thing to go over on this membrane roof, and definitely don't mind to do so. Any other mentions that we have here, Devin?
That was it as far as the roof goes.
Okay. Well, we appreciate the work. Thank you very much for letting us get a chance to bang on your roof, and hopefully the new owners definitely don't have any issues with it. Like I said, leave my business card on the refrigerator, and if they have any troubles, give me a shout. We're just down the street. Kirby Smith with Lightspeed Construction. Take it easy, guys.